Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find Robinhood bank transfer history. So here's a simple and step-by-step guide on how you can easily find your Robinhood transfer history. So if you're using the Robinhood mobile app, open the app on your mobile device, then log in into your account, then tap the profile icon, which is the person icon in the top in the bottom right corner to open your account settings. So tap the transfer, then select transfer history from the list. You will now see all your completed, pending, and the failed transfer. Tap any transactions to view details like date, amount, and linked bank account. Then if you are using the Robinhood on the website, so you can open any browser of your choice, then press in the URL, which is robinhood.com, and log in into your account. Then click your profile icon at the top right corner, then select the history from the drop down menu. Make sure you click transfer to see your full bank transfer record. Then choose a transaction to view more details or download a statement if needed. And that's how you can easily find the Robinhood bank transfer history. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.